Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Netflix streaming errors. Quick fix step by step clearly. Check your internet connection by opening a website on the same device. If the website does not load, restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Reconnect power. Wait until the lights stabilize. And try Netflix again. Move your device closer to the Wi-Fi router to improve signal strength. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable stream. Test your internet speed and make sure you have at least 3 megabits per second for SD, 5 megabits per second for HD, and 15 megabits per second for 4K. Close all other apps and downloads that may be using bandwidth in the background. Restart your streaming device, phone, tablet, smart TV, or computer completely. On a smart TV, unplug the TV power cable for 60 seconds to fully reset the system. Sign out of Netflix and sign back in to refresh your session. Update the Netflix app to the latest version from your app store. If you use a browser, refresh the page and then clear the browser cache and cookies. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to rule out browser issues. Disable any VPN, proxy, or smart DNS because Netflix may block or slow these connections. Set your device date and time to automatic because incorrect time can cause login and streaming errors. Check for system updates on your device and install any pending updates. Force stop the Netflix app and reopen it if your device supports this option. Clear the Netflix app cache and data on Android, then log in again. On iPhone or iPad, delete the Netflix app and reinstall it to refresh corrupted files. On smart TVs and consoles, remove the Netflix app and install it again if the option exists. Try playing a different title to see if the issue is limited to one movie or show. Lower video quality in Netflix settings to reduce buffering on slow networks. If you see a specific error code, search that exact code on Netflix Help Center for the official fix. Check if Netflix is down by visiting the Netflix status page or a reliable outage tracker. Turn off your router firewall rules that may block streaming, or temporarily test on another network. If you are on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile hotspot or home internet because restrictions can block Netflix. Reset network settings on your device if all other network steps fail. Contact Netflix support with your error code and device model if the problem continues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.